Welcome to the dinosaurs. The green dinosaurs and the green-red dinosaurs, they always clean up their mess. Oh, I see a mess that you didn't clean up, green dinosaur. Well, I'm going to clean that mess up now, won't I? I'm going to pick that up and put it right here. That's nice and clean. And I'm going to pick this mess up. And I'm going to pick it up. That's how we clean up our messes. Now, yellow dinosaur, can you show me how you clean up your mess? Good job cleaning up all your crumbs, Mr. Dinosaur. You're a good cleaner. What about all those other yellow scraps? Oh, you got the red scrap? Good.
Got you, Gabby. Go away, go away. Yeah, the pile.
You've cleaned up so many scraps, yellow dinosaur.
All done.
You needed a take a snooze. Oh, I see. One more green scrap. Who's gonna pick that up?
Yeah!
Good job.
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, you take a rest.